Hi, I'm Mr. Bizey, and today I'm talking about the cello. And so I have a nice cello right here. Thought we'd start by pointing out the parts of the instrument. It's the same as almost all stringed instruments, really. So we have the scroll up here with the tuning pegs up here we use to tune. We have the nut right here at the very top. Bring that in so you can see it a little bit better. This piece right here, this is where the strings go over the very top. And of course, those are the strings. This long piece then is the neck, and then we have the black piece on the front, which is the fingerboard. These guys right here are shoulders. Okay, this is the bridge. Right here, the strings go over. Down here, this black piece is the tail piece, which goes right down into an end pin, and this end pin can usually be loosened. Let's see if mine will actually loosen here. There we go. So that you can pull it out to set how you're going to need to play. Down here, some cellos will have tuning pegs right here, these little tiny guys that you can use to, not tuning pegs, sorry, fine tuners, that you can use to do exactly that, fine tuning of your instrument. You have these, which are called F-holes. Now, many cellos will come with something like this. This is called a donut. This is to be placed on the floor so that you don't scratch up the floor with your end pin on the floor. So how exactly do you know how far to put out this end pin? Basic idea is if you stand up, and of course you can't see me as well here. If you stand up, your scroll is supposed to be about at your nose, which I know is hard to see right now. Let me bring this up a little bit. So the scroll should be right about at your nose level, so that that's about how far out the end pin is. So you can see I actually have mine set pretty well. Add it. Add it back in. So then once you have your end pin set, what you want to do is you want to set your cello. First you sit on the front edge of your chair. Set your cello, I gotta get mine adjusted here, there we go, at about an arm's length in front of you, and then lean it into you, and then the C peg, which is right here, should be just behind your left ear. And that's how your cello sets. It should be just leaning on you like that. You should not be leaning forward on your cello or anything like that, or worse yet, leaning back in the chair, doing the lazy cello. But that's how you would set yourself to play. And it's pretty simple. You still want your feet to be about shoulder width apart. Feet should be roughly right below your knees. So it might be a little wider than your shoulders. And you're kind of straddling the cello, but it's not like you're hooking your legs onto the cello. It's just leaning into you. And of course, different body types are going to accommodate in different ways. And then you put your left hand up here, and we're going to talk about the bow in the next lesson. But that's the basics on how to hold the cello.